What we discussed in last class?
Indexing of list amount. Data types.
Data types. So what are the data types available in Python?
Numeric, dictionary, boolean set, sequence type.
Okay. So there are two types of data type available in Python. One is primary data type and the second one is complex data type. Primary data type are numeric, string, boolean, none. Okay. Complex. So this all the data types are under the uh, primary data type, and list, set, range, dictionary, tuple. So this all those things are called it as a complex data type. So already we had discussion about primary data type. So now I am going to take complex about the complex data type. So this is last class discussion. So data type specify which type of a value a variable can store. So generally I have mentioned like that: number, string, boolean, none. So this all those things are called it as in primary data type. List, tuple, set, range, dictionary or complex data type. Okay. So then in number, I have given a few examples. So like this manner, string, complex, boolean. And string, so many examples are given here. Kindly go through this, all the examples for the string. It is available in literal. See here. So many methods of given a string is available here. You can able to mention the string in single quotes. Then you can able to mention the string using print function. Then you can able to use the string like that. And using print function, you can able to use the double quotes. Then this is error, as we discussed already about this. So if you want to get proper result for this, so here this is a special symbol. If you want to use this special symbol, you can able to use the white space character. As I told already, there are so many white space character available: /n, /v, /r, /b, /single quotes, /double quotes, /a. So many white space character are available, which helps to print the value in formatted manner. Okay. So the Python, if you want to print this special symbol, so you can use the slash. Okay. So this scenario, the slash is giving the special meaning. You can able to get properly the result on the screen. So there are so many examples I have given already. The PPT is forwarded to you. Suppose if you want to print 2 times in Python, just you can type like that, Python plus Python. So 2 times the Python will be displayed on a screen. Suppose if you want to print 10 times, you can use the replication. This is the star. Here the star is nothing but call it as an replication operator. 10 into Python. 1 minute. Sorry, thank you. So this is a replication operator. Asterisk symbol is I have given. So 10 into Python, the Python string will be displayed 10 times on this screen. So if you are writing the program for this in other languages, you must be use the loop. Then only you can, the loop will be executed 10 times. So within that loop, you are given a printf function. So it has some statement, then only you can able to execute. In Python, never like that. Just if you want to print 10 times, 10 into Python. Suppose you don't know anything about printing the Python, you can able to print 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Instead of 10, you can able to use the variable n into Python. So before that, you can able to get the value of n. According to that, the Python will be displayed on a screen. So this is another example, definitely invalid syntax. So instead of that, you can able to use the double quotes outside of the string. So there are a few examples are given. So you can able to go through all the examples. Okay. Then I go for complex data type. Okay. So the first complex data type is list. List means it is a collection of items. So the items are similar data type and each item has its own index value. Okay, so index value means, so here I have given 5 items. The first item is 80, second item is 60, third is 70, fourth is 85, and fifth is 75. So the index location of the first value is 0. So it is called it as an index. Okay. So 0, then second value index is 1, location is 1, index or location is 1, and third value location is 2. So similarly, fourth value 3, then fifth value 4. Okay. If you can able to use both positive index actual as well as the negative index. So whenever using array in other languages, you can able to move only forward direction. Okay, it is not possible to move in backward direction. If you want to move the backward direction, then you can use the different for loop for achieving this. But in list, you can able to move a forward direction as well as the backward. Suppose if you want to print first 75. So that scenario, you can able to use the negative index -1. Okay, then -2, -3, -4, -5. So like this manner, you can able to use the negative index value for the collection of items. Are you clear this one? If you have any doubt, please ask me. What is list?
Collection of items.
Collection of items. So the first item index value is 0. The last item index value is n-1. So how many items in a list means it has n items. So you can able to move forward as well as the backward. Forward means the index value start from 0, end with n-1. Backward means the index value start from -1 to -n. Okay, so this is a small introduction about the list. Then I have given an example for the list. So how to use the list in Python? Just you can specify the name equal to. Okay, then you can use the index bracket. So within that index bracket, you can give the collection of items. The collection of items are separated by comma. Then you can close the index bracket. So this is nothing but call it as a list. Suppose if you want to print the list on the screen means just you can type the list name. So this is the list name. It is a user defined name. You can able to give any name for here. Okay, so all the items are occur or all the elements are occur within the index bracket. each elements in a list are separated by comma. Okay, so this is nothing but call it as a list. Suppose if we want to print 0th location value from the list, nums of 0. So the location start from 0. The value of the 0th location is 80. 80 is printed on a screen. So nums of 54. So nums of 54 is not available here. So this is, it has only how many values means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So you can able to give only 0 to 4 location. It is not possible to give 54th location. So that's why it give error message as out of range. Suppose if we want to print the list from second location. So you can able to give like that 2 colon. So the print value will be started from second location to end. So nums of minus means you know very well about that. The last value location is -1, 75. Okay. Then you can able to use the string also. Okay. So if you want to use the string, the strings are occur within a single quotes or double quotes. So it will be separated by comma within a index bracket, then names. So like this manner, the string value will be displayed on a screen. Then you can able to use the different combination of values 9.5. Then you can able to string. After that, you can able to use the integer value. So whenever you are specifying values, so it will be displayed like that. Suppose if you want to combine two list means you can able to specify m equal to nums comma names. Then you can print whenever print m. So the both lists are combined like that. Okay. So this is a small introduction about the list. If you have online editor or if you have Python in your laptop, you can follow by me. So there are so many operations available in a list. So here I am going to discuss few operations about the Python based on the list. Assume that the name of my list is A. Is it visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then you can use the values. Initially, I am using 5 values. As I told already, if you want to print the list, just you can give like that, or you can able to use the print function. You can able to print the list value on this screen. So here A is a user-defined function, user-defined variable. Okay. Suppose I would like to print the value of 0 the location. So A of 0, the 10 will be displayed on the screen. Then A of 3. What is the 3? A of 3?
20.
20. So 20 is displayed on a screen. Then A of -1. So the A of -1 means
50.
50 will be displayed on a screen. Then A of -4.
30.
What is displayed on a screen?
30.
Yes, 30. So like this manner, you can able to print the different value from a list. Okay, then if you want to use this string, you can possibly use this string here. So within a single course, then you can specify the name, list of name. Okay. So the names should be available within a single quotes or double quotes. Then you can close it. So currently another, oh my God. Okay. So the same name I have used for the another list. So the current value only displayed on a screen. The value of the A is currently SSFFRR. One more time I can create with a number. So the list should be available within the index bracket only.
Ma'am, not audible.
Not audible. My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is audible.
Okay. Then 20. Then you can able to use the 50. Then close the index bracket. Then whenever if you want to print the B, just you can give the B value, then B value will be displayed on a screen. Suppose if you want to combine this both value A and B. So that scenario, you can use value like that. Then you can combine both A comma B. So the both list are combined. Whenever you are type value, so the both values are displayed. Whatever the list created first, the first list is displayed first. Then the second list is displayed second because it maintained the order. First you are giving A, then you are giving B. So that's why it will give order like that. Suppose if you want to print B comma A, you can able to print B comma A equal to index bracket B comma A. If you want to print the value, so the first B value will be displayed on a screen, then this value will be displayed on a screen. So this is for displaying list content on the screen. That's all. And also you can able to combine two lists. So this is simple example. The list has various operations. So what are the operations available in a list means? One is insert, another one is delete. Okay. So if you want to insert a value into the list, so there are three operations available. One is append. So for example, suppose if you want to add a value into B, assume that. So that situation you can able to use the B dot, then you can specify append. Okay. So what are the value you want to be append here? Just you can specify the value. So the value will be added at the end of the list. See here, already how many values are there? 5 values. In the fifth location, 80 will be added with the help of append. Okay, so this is one way of insert a value into the list. Okay, so the first operation, first function. And second function is insert. Suppose if you want to insert your value into particular location. First, you can specify the location. In second location, I am going to add 90. Okay. So where is the second location? 0 is
0 is first location.
so 0 is first location. The value of the 0 is 10. Then
Before
value of
the 40 it will be, ma'am.
yes
40.
40. Okay. Then if you want to print B, so the second location 0, 1, 2. The second location 90 will be added. So this is another type of insertion. Okay, the first insert is happen with the help of append. The second one is insert. If you want to specify the append, whatever the value we have given, it will be added at the end of the list. Insert means based on your location specification, then it will be inserted a insert value into the list. So this is insert. Then extend. Extend means you have a list. You have some value C equal to 100, 101. Bulk of value if you want to insert 102, then 103. So like this manner, you have a bulk of values. So that scenario, you can able to insert this value into the list. B dot extend of C. If you are specify like that, so the whatever the value you have in a C list, all the value will be inserted into B. Okay, so there are three type of insertion available in list. Okay, one is append, another one is insert, and third one is extend. Are you clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
kindly follow me, then you can execute the program also. Okay, then I go for deletion. So before discussing about the deletion, see here, I would like to tell one thing to you. There are two type of deletion available. One is remove, another one is pop. So remove means whatever the value, if you want to remove, just you can able to use the number. Then according to that, the value will be removed from the list. And one more is pop. You can able to specify the pop with location or without location. If you are using location means it will be removed according to the location value will be removed from the list. Suppose you have not specified, that is pop off. Okay. So pop, you have not specified the location means the last value will be removed from the list. Are you clear this one? Then see here, B dot remove. So remove of 40. Then you can print B. So the 40 value will be removed from the list. Suppose if we are using B dot pop of sixth location. What is the sixth location? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
100.
100. Then 100 will be removed. Okay. So whatever the value it is going to be removed, that value is displayed. Okay, on this screen. Then 100 is removed from the B. Suppose if you have not mentioned any location within a pop, which value will be removed means 103 will be removed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 103 will be removed from the list. So again you can print the B. So 103 is removed from the list. And one more function is there, I will check. So that is call it as an clear. I think we'll see. So the entire value will be removed from the list. So currently the list is empty list. Or you clear this one? And the insert, we have three functions. So similarly, the deletion also has three functions. One is remove, pop, and then clear. So, okay. If we have any doubt, list operations. So initially we have discussed about the display operation. So creation, you know very well about that. This is the syntax for creating the list. And this all the values, all the statements are helps to display the value from the list. This is nothing but call it as an slicing or indexing. So depends on the situation. you can able to tell slicing or indexing. So what is the necessity of using slicing means? Suppose you have so many value, you want to be analysis for a particular range of values. So that situation, you can able to take subset of the value from the list, then you are applying the analysis. So that's that scenario, you go for the slicing operations. Or you clear this one. So this is up to this display. And next one is this is call it as an concatenation of two lists. This is another operation. So this is for concatenation of the two list. And next one is insert. Okay, insert, append, extend. So if you want to insert a value, we have three functions in a list. So similarly, if you want to delete a value, so it has three functions. So one is named as remove, another one is pop. The pop can be used in two manner. Then last one is clear. Okay, so up to this, the list operation is over. Then I go for using mathematical functions and how to achieve all those things. So here I have mentioned so many mathematic function. So one is minimum. So you can able to display the minimum value from the list, maximum value from the list, sum of the value from the list. Then if you want to sort the list means you can use list name dot sort. Then if you want to find out the length of the list means len of, then you can able to use the number. Then num dot reverse. Okay, if you want to print the reverse order, then you can able to print. Okay, so this is call it as in mathematical operations. Mathematical built-in function. Okay, so there are so many building function available. So here I have given a few examples. So like this manner, you can able to check all the mathematical functions in Python. Then you can utilize this all the functions in a list. Okay, you can practice by own, just you can note it everything. So here I am using to know. So sometimes it is not adding number of values. At a time, it can able to add only one values. That's all. Okay, then another operation is modification operation. Suppose if you want to change the value in a particular location. So I would like to change 20. Instead of 20, I am going to change 35, assume that. So first you find out the location 0, 1, 2, 3. So then you can specify B of 3 location. I am going to assign 35.
Actually, the list is empty, no, ma'am.
Yes. So that's why the error is occur. Thank you so much. Just I copy this. Suppose I would like to change the third location value. So the current list name is C. C of 3 is 103 equal to, it become 200. Then you print the value. Instead of 103, the 200 will be assigned. So this is for modify the list value. So like this manner, you can able to change the value. Whatever the value already you have defined by you. Okay, are you clear this one? Up to this, the list is over. If you have any doubt, please ask me.
Can you explain the slicing part, the above program?
Yes. So suppose you have 100 values in your list. You want to take, so for example, sales value, assume that in your data set, you have one column named as sales value. Okay. You want to analysis only the January month sales. So that scenario, you can able to apply the slice operations. So how you are achieve this means you can able to give the range where you want to start and where you want to stop. So like this manner, you can able to give the range, then you can use. So already I have given example. So in this example, suppose I would like to use only two values from the list. 1012, 102. So this is starting from 1 colon 2. Range will be taken n minus 1. Okay, so I have to give 3. 1 colon 3. So whenever I am using this, I can able to slice this two data value from a given list. C is the list. So this value will be sliced from the list. So this is nothing but call it as in slicing. So according to the situation, it is a simple data. So you have no big difference than that. If you are handling the big data, so that situation, there are so many columns. The column is named as here as features. In machine learning, there are so many features available. Suppose if you are consider a particular feature for an analysis and you are taken only the portion of the data. So that scenario you can apply for the slicing operations. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Then, so this list are mutable one. So that means you can able to change the value. Okay, the modification is applicable in list. But if you are using tuple, it is a sequence of immutable object. So once if you are define a value, it is not possible to change. So for example, assigning register number into the student. Is it possible to change semester to semester?
No.
In your register number is possible to change semester to semester? No. Okay, so that situation, the register number may be based on which data type means the tuple data type. Okay. So tuple means it is also has a collection of items, but the items are immutable items. Okay, the items are immutable item. Then it is just like list. Present now, what are you doing?
Sorry, ma'am. Carry on.
Okay. Okay. So it is a sequence of immutable object. It is just like list. The main difference between tuple and the list is that the tuple cannot be changed, unlike list. List uses square bracket, whereas tuple use parenthesis. So this is the main difference between list and tuple. So how to apply the various operation on the tuple means, so the tuple must be converted as a list. Then whatever the changes, if you want to apply on the value, you can apply the changes. Then it will be converted into tuple. Okay, are you clear this one? So I will give a few examples. So wherever you are using the constant value of the problem, so that time it is used, the iteration is faster than the list. So for example, generation of the Fibonacci series. You know very well about that. The Fibonacci series means it has a series. The series initial value is considered as 0 and 1. Adding this two value, you can able to get the third value. So like this manner, immediate two values you can take and then add this. Then you can able to get the another value. So like this manner, the process will be continued. In each and every locations, the value of the series not possible to change. I will show you. So how to do this process for the Fibonacci sequence. So 0, 1 means the third value is 1, fourth value is 2, fifth value is 3. Okay, so immediate immediate two value of the current value. Okay, you have to taken for generating the series. So that is nothing but call it as an Fibonacci series. Okay, so that situation the value will not be changed. So you can assign that value as tuple. Then so how you are creating the tuple means, so this is example I have given. So you can able to take combination of the value. So this is first example and second one is, this is second example. And again, if you want to add this to tuple means, just you can specify tup1 and tup2, then you can combine this two value. But direct deletion does not possible. And you can able to find out minimum maximum value. You can able to apply the mathematical functions on it. Okay, so we go to the
And
Python.
tuple 1 and tuple 2, can you explain it?
Tuple 1 is it has two number and tuple is another one is 1 minute. So
The
one is
first
1
and
comma
second
2.
line.
Yes. Tup
No,
2
ma'am. The
is
first and second line where comp SC info practices, what it means, and then again tuple 1 is you have mentioned.
just I have given example.
Okay.
Combination of data also taken, but as per the data set, it is not possible like that. The similar data only we can use. It is just example. That's all. So what are the way you can able to use the tuple? So see here. So I am going to create one tuple value 3, 6, 4 like that. Suppose if I want to insert a value into this, so it is not possible. Suppose I want to insert 5. Definitely error will occur because it is immutable object. Whatever the element you have, the element not possible to change. Suppose if we want to modify the value in second location equal to 12. So this is also not possible. Okay. Suppose I want to remove some value. Last value. I want to remove the last value. It is also not possible. Okay. So whatever the operations already we have discussed in a list. So all the operations is not possible. Suppose if you want to combine two tuple, you can able to combine the tuple. Otherwise, remaining operation is not possible. So how to achieve this? All those operations means the list must be, that means the tuple must be converted as a list with the help of list function, list of t. So currently, this value will be changed. L dot. Okay, so currently the t is converted as, okay, t is converted as L. Okay, the t is converted as L. Then you can able to append the new value. So already the values are 1, 3, 6, 4, then 8. Then you can close. After enter, then you can check 8 will be added. Okay, now the values are converted as list. Okay, so again you can able to convert this value into tuple. So how it is converted into tuple means, then you can convert as a tuple once again with the help of tuple function. Okay, so whatever the operations, if you want to apply, convert the list, then apply all the operations, again you converted into tuple. So this is the way you can able to apply the modification or append, deletion, whatever the operations. If you want to do on a tuple, you can able to use like this manner. Okay, are you clear this one? Now it will be converted as a tuple. Are you clear this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I go to next? So if you have any doubt up to this, okay, thank you. Then set operation. So kindly note down everything properly. So from this only the question can ask, okay, during the examinations. So kindly note everything in our notebook. Definitely it will help you. Okay. So already you know means you help me. Okay. See here. So it is not taken from the EE3schools.com. Then I go for the set. So set means you can able to collect unordered collection of unique element. Okay, it is not a order one, unordered collection of unique items. And also it eliminate the duplicates. Okay, so suppose if you are given a duplicate value, the duplicate value are automatically removed by the set. Okay, the set are mutable one. It is not immutable. It is mutable one. You can add or remove item after creation, but the item themselves must be immutable. Okay, so here I have given example. If you want to specify the set value, because I have only the small introduction about the set in the PPT, so that's all. The collection of unique element, the elements are occur within the curly braces. Each elements are separated by comma. Then it will be assigned into one variable name yes. Suppose if you want to modify the second location, so suppose if you want to print the second location, it is invalid statement whenever you are using this set. Okay, it is not possible to do. So that's all. Next I go for the range. So that's why I have given a small introduction about this set. Okay, so all the set values are occur within a curly braces. So here I have a given example, fruit equal to apple, banana, cherry. Then if you want to print the value, just you can type fruit or print of fruits. So the value will be displayed on the screen. So the order may be vary. So just copy this, then execute the program. So this is, you can able to use only single line. Here. If you want to use multi-line, you go for the scripting mode. Okay. Then you can print the value. on the screen with the help of a print function. Then you go for another example with the duplication value. So I will type directly, so it would be better. Then A equal to, using the curly braces, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then closes. After that, whenever print the value A, so the duplicate value will be removed. So this is another example for the set. Then creating a set from a list using set function. So first you can create a list, then you are converted as a set. Okay, so how to do this means you can create a list. The list may be 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Then you can convert as a set SC equal to, with the help of set function, the B list become a set. Then you can type yes. Now it is converted as a set. Okay. So like this manner, the list can convert into set. And also you can able to define your empty set value. So how you are specifying your empty set means, just you can specify one minute, again go to here. Then K equal to set of. You have not given any value within that set. So whenever if you want to print the K, just it will give only a set of, that's all. Because no value is available in a set. Okay, so this is nothing but call it as an empty set. Okay, so either you can able to use the variable K or you can able to use print. The same set empty set is printed on a screen. That's all. So this is a small introduction about the set. So this is nothing is there. Type of, if you want to display the type of this, the variable, type of, then pass the variable, then output is, it is based on set. That's all. Okay, so I have given a few examples here. Then if you want to add a single item, fruits dot add, then item will be added here. So wait just a minute, we will check. Single item. Then if you want to add the multiple item, you can use the update. Okay. So see here, the items are list. Then the list will be updated in a set. And if you want to remove, means discard, then you can specify the name. So that value will be removed. Then one more remove function is there, remove of apple. So if you want to delete means you can use discard or remove. Then if you want to print the particular value is available as a member or not. Already you know very well about that. Identity operator or membership operator. It is membership operator. With the help of in, you can able to find out whether the particular item is available in a set or not. Okay, so first you have to specify the item in, then you can specify the set name. Then if you want to print the length of the set, then you can specify length of fruit. So if you want to insert a single item, the function is add. If you want to insert multiple item, the function is update. If you want to delete the specified item, discard. So similarly, if you want to delete an item with error, okay, so that situation you go for the remove. So whenever you are using the remove, suppose the item is not available means it give some error message. So this is the main difference between remove and pop in list also. Okay. Then if it is membership means you can able to use like that. If you want to find out the len of the set, len of root. Okay. Then few more examples also I have given, and you can able to apply the set operations. So within that set. So what are the set operations available means union, intersection, difference. Okay. So here I have mentioned the union. So the example is set 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, and set 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6. Then if you are applying the union operation here, so how you are applying the union operation means open curly braces, set 1 dot union, then set 2 must be occur within a parenthesis. After that you can close the curly braces. Okay, because set also immutable as I told already. Then you can able to combine this two set union. Okay, the duplication will be removed here. Then intersection means what are the common value available in a set. Instead of union, you can, this is the statement, this is enough. Okay, this is the statement and this is enough for the operations. Wait just a minute, I will show you. For the union, first you can create a first set is named as S1, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. Then you can create another set equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, assume that. Then you can use print S1 dot union open parenthesis S2 of, then you can specify within other braces. Okay, close the print function.
Some parenthesis will be removed here.
Parenthesis.
On the first parenthesis.
This one.
Yes, yes.
This is for print function. S1 union S2 set 1 S1 dot union set 2, then close. So it is occur within a double quotes. The syntax is it is occur within a double quotes. So that's why I would like to check this. So now it is working. So based on the color, we can easily find out the error. Okay. S1 dot union S2. So within a double quotes, the value will be displayed. Definitely a use F, I think. Nothing is there. Set 2. Okay. So union is a function, so that's why you must be specify f here. So without f, it's not possible to print. So again, I can use the same print function. Suppose if you want to print the raw data, you can use r. Okay, depends on the value. So the different variable you have used here before display. So it is a function, union is a function. So that's why you must be specify f. Then only you can able to get. Okay. So first you can specify the set 1, then you can specify the set 2. After that, you can able to combine. So how you are combine this means, so within a curly braces, you can combine. It should be available within a double quotes. Then before a double quotes, you must be specify f. Then only you can able to get the result. Otherwise, whatever the value you have given within a double quotes, the double quotes value will be displayed on a screen. See here. So this is our to take you error message, no? Then you can use f here. Then you can get. Or you clear this one? Union. So similarly, you can able to use instead of union, you can able to use intersection. Okay, so same, you take the same print function. So the common value will be displayed on a screen. 3 and 4 are common from the set. So 3, 4 will be displayed on a screen. What is the next one? Difference. Then there are two type of differences there, symmetric difference and normal difference. So instead of using intersection, then you can use the difference. What is mean by difference? Difference from set 1. Okay, suppose if you are using, if you want to find out the difference from set 2, first if you are specifying set 1, then you are using set 1. Now the difference is 5, 6. Or you clear this one? The difference is taken from the first set according to second set. First example. The difference is taken from second set according to the first set. So this is the major set operations available in Python. So already you heard about the set operations in SQL. Am I right? In SQL, set operations are there. Union, union all, intersect, intersect all, minus. So this, all the operations are called it as an set operations. In Python also, you can possible to use the set operations with the help of union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. That's all. In Python also has the aggregation function. So the aggregation function are min, minimum, maximum, sum, average, then count. Okay, so this all the functions are aggregation functions. So this is also available in Python. Okay. Then Range means it is used to perform an action for a specific number of times. So that means if you are specifying 10 means the range is 10 means it will be start from 0 to 10. So that means you have 10 values in a list or in a tuple or in a set. So here one simple example I have given. Either you can able to use the range of 10. And the meaning of range of 10 is 0 to 10. So that means how many values available in the range means only 10 values. But starting location is 0, end location is 10. So the 10 location never taken, n minus 1 location will be taken for a range. So list of a range of 10 means it will be displayed like that. It start from 0 and end with the 9. Suppose if you want to get 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, you can able to use the range like that. First you have to specify the starting value, then end value. So how it will be incremented? It will be incremented by 2. Suppose if you want to print, this is a even number. If you want to print odd number, it is starting from 1 to 10. Every time it will be incremented by 2. So this is nothing but call it as in range. So I plan to complete up to dictionary. It is not possible by today. So I will give few examples for the range. So range of 10. If I am using spelling mistake, if I am using print function, so range of 10 means the starting value of range is 0 and end with the 10. Suppose if you want to create a list, the list may be L, then list of start from 0 and end with the 10. Okay, then you print the L value. So 0 to 9 will be displayed on the screen. So whenever if you want to get the 10 values, so the n it is not executed n times, it will be executed n minus 1 time. So you must be give one more value for a range. Then only you can able to get the 10 values. Suppose if you are using 9 means it can possible to get only 0 to 8. That's all. Suppose if you want to generate the list like that, k equal to list of range open, then it start from 0, then end with the 10. Every time it will be incremented by 2. Means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Suppose if you want to get odd number, okay, j equal to list of range, okay, then 1 comma 10 comma 2. If you are given like that, the value of j has 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. That's all. Okay, what are the topic we have discussed by today? Anyone can tell?
Indexing of list.
Today,
Inserting and deleting, and
yes,
maximum, minimum, and range.
range.
Extend, append, insert, ma'am.
Python set
Okay.
range
Append, insert, extend, remove, pop, clear.
slice
Yes, slice operations, then concatenation and tuple. Again, the list is converted into tuple, then similar operations will be included. Then set, you can apply the set operations, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. And before that, you can able to add a single item, then update the number of items. Then you can use, if you want to remove means, you can able to use two function. One is discard, another one is remove in set. Okay, so you go through this, all those things. Already I have sent the PPT to you. Then I have included few more functions about the list. Just you can practice by own. Then I will forward share the set operations also. Through everything.
And can you share the PPT again? I joined late.
Okay, so I will send you.
Okay.
1 minute. So if you have Python editor along with you, it is easy for you. Just you can practice whenever conducting the class. If you are follow the properly, then you can. This is PPT. Then set operations. So the remaining is already available in the PPT, just to go through. Is it okay? The next class, I am little bit take faster because I have to take input function, then print function. After that, I go for if else, switch. Then I go for looping statement. So there are so many topic available in the first unit. Then I have to complete all those things. Kindly refer by you also. It would help easily. You can easily understand. Okay, sir. Kindly go through the PPT once whenever attending the class. So if you have any doubt.
Ma'am, in sets, we are giving the F, right? What is F represents it there?
Function.
No. In sets, we given the print of F we given, right?
Yes. So that is
What is
function.
F it is? Function. Okay.
Yes. There are so many type of data you can able to print. The data may be a raw data. Okay. So like this manner, you can used in Python. Okay, no need to apply the conversion and all. So simply, so that means it is a formatted string function. Okay, string function may are literal. Okay, so like this manner, so many letters are there in Python. If you are using R means that is raw data. Okay, so whenever if you want to print any string, so before that if you are using R, so I will tell the situations and what are the situations you can able to use the different variable R, F like that. F means a formatted string. F means formatted string. function. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Shall I close this?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. We will meet in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am.